I get up at 5 o'clock happily. I rub my jams gently. I open my eyes. Slowly I see God's photo. I pray for a few minutes devotedly. Then I fold my bed and bedsheet. I keep them in their place neatly. I go straight to the corner. I take the broomstick. I sweep the floor cleanly. I collect the dust in the dustpan. I throw it into the dustbin. Then I go near the door. I open the door slowly. I go directly to the bathroom. I take my toothbrush, I wash it with fresh water. I take a toothpaste tube. I squeeze the paste onto the brush. I brush my teeth. I spit it out after brushing. After that I take some water. I gargle my mouth with water. After brushing and gargling I spit out the water. I clean my tongue with a tongue cleaner. Then I splash water on my face. I rub my face with soap. I dry my face with a towel. I hang the towel on the towel rail for drying. Then I do yoga for half an hour for good health. After yoga, take a pot to bring water. I'll to the bowl, I pump water. I fill the pot with water. I bring the water home, I pour it into a vessel. I heat the water for my father thought. I take a bath in cold water. I take my soap of the Lux brand. I rub the soap all over my body. I enjoy the pleasant smell of the soap. I play with soap bubbles while bathing. I pour water over my body. I wash off the soap from my body. I take the towel from the towel rail. I dry my body. I keep the towel in its place for drying. Then I wear civil dress. I come out of the bathroom. I go straight to the puja room. Before I enter, my sister cleans the puja room and God's photos. Then I sprinkle water on all the photos. I decorate the photos with flowers. I apply kumkum to all the photos. I light the brass lamp. I light the incense sticks. I light the camphor and perform Mangala Rathi. I pray to God for a few minutes. Then I come out of the poo germ. I remove my civil dress. I take my ironed uniform from the hanger. I wear it. Then I go to my table in front of the mirror. I comb my hair neatly. I get ready to go to school. First I go to my study room. I keep all my books in my bag. I go to the dining hall. I pull out a chair from the dining table. I sit on the chair. I take my apron from the chair. I wear it over my dress. My mother serves breakfast to me. After breakfast, I put my bag on my shoulder. I go to the bicycle stand. I take out my bicycle. I say goodbye to my family members. I get on my bicycle. I go straight to my friend's house. I wish them. Then I go to school with my friends. I wish my teachers. I go to the classroom. I meet my friends and wish them. I listen to the teacher carefully. I submit my assignment to the teacher. I take assignments from the teacher. I attend all classes regularly. My father scolds me if I bunk even a single class. Then I return to the bicycle stand. I chat with my friends for a while and return home. As soon as I enter my home, I remove my shoes. I keep them in their place neatly. I go to my bedroom. I change my uniform into civil dress. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, hands and legs. I dry them with a towel. I go straight to the high school field. I play with my friends for 2 hours. I chat with my friends for a while. Then I return home. I wash my face, hands and legs again. I take coffee to refresh myself and then study. I study effectively for 2 hours. I complete all my assignments. I solve all problems. I close my books and keep them in my bag. I teach my brother for half an hour. Then I go to the kitchen. I wash my hands with fresh water. I take fresh vegetables from the refrigerator. I wash them with fresh water. I cut the vegetables carefully. I have dinner with my family members. I watch interesting programs on TV. I say goodnight to my family members. I go to my bedroom. I read interesting novels for some time. Set the alarm for 5 o'clock. I switch off the tube light. I lie on the bed for some time. After a few minutes I fall into a sweet sleep. This song helped me learn each day good habits in a joyful way. From waking up to sleeping tight, I learn what's wrong and what is right. My English words are clear and bright. I speak and read with pure delight. New vocabulary I use with care. My grammar grows beyond compare. I learn to listen, think and do. Be neat, be kind, be honest too. I plan my time, I try my best. I end my day with peaceful rest. So sing this song both day and night. Learn, grow and dream, sleep tight. Good night. Keep practicing every day, keep learning with joy, and keep growing smarter. If you enjoyed this video, ask your parents to like and share it, and subscribe to the Brain Flicks for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Keep smiling, keep learning, because learning is fun with the Brain Flicks, presented by Rummaco Publications.